everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is the color green. Next week's theme will be spring. So I'm just going to jump right in. So this week, once again, I had one more bead that was left over that I used from last week, and so I thought I would go ahead and use that on the card I created today. And it's so cute. But anyways, this is called Honeybee. Also, never used this, so I'm using the fence and grass die from Cottage Cuts. Never used this, and this is from Hero Arts, and I don't know the name of this set. Oh, here it goes. Hero Greetings Kindness, and that's what I'm using. I'm using this stamp right there. And another one that I've never used from Cottage Cuts, Nested Wacky Stitched Rectangle Dies. And from My Creative Time, I am using the 3.75 by 4.75 card-based layers, and I'm using this one right here. And then from Not Too Shabby, I'm using Dots for Spring paper pack. And this is that cute, adorable little card. I absolutely love how it turned out. It's just so cute, and it almost looks like spring as well. I thought it was adorable. So let me just show you that a little bit more close so it has something on there. Okay. Anyways, here it goes. It's so cute. I like it. Look at that little bee. I did use some vellum on the wings there, and I inked them up just so that you can see them a little better instead of on that white fence there. It probably would have just kind of got lost with that fence. But anyways, love it. Love the My Creative Time die, and then that stitching die from Cottage Cuts just fit perfectly on there. And a bit of kindness to brighten your day. That is heat embossed, and I just pulled some enamel outside of my stash. I love it. And I did color this up down here with Copic markers. And then there goes the inside. Love how it turned out. I absolutely love this card. And that's about it. If I didn't say so, we also enter our cards into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. The ladies' links will be down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.